The BJP has of course been pushing for the CM post for quite a while now. Sources are telling us that Devendra Fadnavis is leading the CM race. Anand Singh is also joining us on the broadcast live. Anand, what can you tell our viewers about this? You know, it seems that Fadnavis has taken an early lead even as the BJP is trying to push for the CM post, but we've seen the BJP in the past, they have propped up surprise faces as well. There are also sources that are telling us that they also want to put a Maratha face this time around. So what exactly is happening on the ground?
Yeah, look, Pia, the way in which the situation is unfolding over here at the residence of Devendra Fadnavis, that is Sagar. We are just standing outside Sagar, and here since morning several of the leaders have come over here, including Chhagan Bhujbal. And even as several of the leaders and newly elected MLAs of the BJP have backed Fadnavis as the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Even today, early in the morning, when Chhagan Bhujbal, leader from NCP, Ajit Pawar faction, who came over here, and while speaking to media, he mentioned that the BJP has got the maximum chunk of MLAs in this election, and they have got 132 MLAs. So the first priority should be given to BJP for the chief ministerial post, and even he backed Fadnavis as the CM face of Maharashtra. Even as Eknath Shinde has been completely, he has been doing pressure politics on the BJP, that how the elections were fought on his face, and how several of the schemes that his government, Mahayuti government, brought after the Lok Sabha poll debacle, him took the lead from the front, and he turned around in Maharashtra the results over here, and the results is visible to each and every of the people of Maharashtra, the way in which the Ladki Behan scheme favored the people over here, especially the women. And in the last 2 days, we have seen that how pressure politics is being played by Eknath Shinde faction, that several of the Ladki Behan scheme beneficiaries came to his residence. They demanded for Eknath Shinde as the next chief minister, and even several pujas and havans have been done across the state in different temples, including the Siddhivinayak temple over here in Mumbai, and several of the other beneficiaries who have been given the jobs or who have got the Maratha reservation. They even came to Siddhivinayak temple in solidarity and showing support to Eknath Shinde, demanding the CM post for Eknath Shinde over here.
And this
so
is
clearly a lot
Shinde
of
has also been contending for. He said that the election has been fought in his name, on his face, and the scheme that he brought about. And now, Anand, Sosa also telling us that Fadnavis will not leave for Delhi as of now. This is new news that we are also tracking for our viewers. What is this about a Delhi meeting that has been floating about, and now information that Fadnavis will not leave for Delhi?
Yeah, look, Pia, the way in which Fadnavis, it was being said that all the three Mahayuti alliance leaders will be meeting in the evening in Mumbai, and even Fadnavis can leave for Delhi. So these things looks that it's uncertain that Fadnavis will be leaving for Delhi, as he has just moved out of his residence from here 10 minutes ago, and he has left for Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, where he will be addressing a program. And now party sources from the Sagar have told us that he will be, after Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, he might be leaving for Nagpur, where he will be staying, and then he will be coming back to Nagpur. So even the meeting of the three leaders of the Mahayuti alliance looks like that it's not clear that whether all three of them will be meeting today once again. The way in which they had come together on the day of counting, and they have given a complete picture that how they all are united. But after the election results were announced, and the way in which the delay is there on the CM face and deciding the formula for Maharashtra, it looks uncertain that Fadnavis is going to leave for Delhi today, and even he can meet all the three alliance partners over here. So these are the developments that we are tracking as of now, just from outside the residence of Devendra Fadnavis over here. Back to you, Pia.
Indeed, stay on with us because we are tracking further updates as well. Now, Anand has of course referred to a meeting that is likely to take place today evening. Darren, what can you tell our viewers about this? Are we expecting the attendance of all three leaders, or will one of them not turn up?
Yeah, if you see what information we have got to our sources, even today early morning, that Manisha Kayand, the Shiv MLC and spokesperson of Shiv Sena West, spoke to NewsX. She said that the meeting is going to take place of the Mahayuti leaders, but when will it take place? She did not mention about that. So a meeting is going to take place of Eknath Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar. Even ex-education minister Deepak Kesarkar also said that all these top three leaders will be meeting within 2 days and have a meeting about it. Now, as Anand sir said, that Devendra Fadnavis will be moving to Nagpur, so it looks uncertain that all the top three leaders will meet today for a meeting. So all eyes on this meeting, because once this meeting is done between Eknath Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar, then only the CM face of Maharashtra will be decided.
Indeed, and our sources are also telling us that Shiv Sena Shinde faction MPs have sought time to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We all know the winter session of the parliament is on and the members of parliament are all in the national capital at the moment, attending proceedings in the lower and upper houses of the parliament. It seems that the Shinde faction led members of parliament have now sought time from the Prime Minister for a meeting. This is what our sources are telling us. Daryl, what can you tell us about this?
All the MPs of Shiv Sena, including Shrikant Shinde, who is son of Eknath Shinde, along with Naresh Paske, Pratap Rao Jadhav, all the senior MPs of the Shiv Sena have sought time from CM Modi. They want to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Is what information we are getting through our sources. Along with that, they will also be meeting Amit Shah and discuss about the Prime Minister, Chief Minister's face in Maharashtra. If you see, after the results, it's almost 4 days now, and the CM says that who will be the CM of Maharashtra. The decision is not yet been finalized on the picture of who will become the CM. So, since Devendra Fadnavis is leading the race, Shiv Sena MPs and also the MLAs in Maharashtra are insisting on Eknath Shinde to become the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. So, as per sources, it is said that the MPs in Delhi have sought time from Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Amit Shah to discuss about the CM phase and to finalize the picture that who will become the next Minister of Maharashtra. Back to you.
Indeed, and one last question from Anand. We've of course been discussing a lot about a Mahayuti meeting that is likely to take place this evening. But of course, suspense has been on for nearly 5 days now. So when do we see, what is the likely time frame when this deadlock can be solved and a decision can be taken, and is it possible that there will be a meeting with the Prime Minister and the Home Minister late at night or tomorrow?
Yeah, Pia, look, the way in which the situations are unfolding over here in Maharashtra, the mystery is only deepening further as who will be the next Chief Minister of the state, even as the results were announced on 23rd, today being 27th. So 4 days have passed while discussing the names of the Chief Minister. And if we talk about the BJP, it seems like the BJP is not in a hurry, and they are also doing pressure politics with all its alliance partners, with several of the Shinde faction leaders have already mentioned that Ajit Pawar, who is the chief of the NCP AP and one of the deputy CMs over here, so he has surrendered with the BJP, and how now Eknath Shinde has been left alone and he is backing his own name. The Shinde faction leaders are backing Shinde's name over here for the next chief minister of the state, citing that the entire elections was fought in his name. So it looks like that what we have learned from our sources in Mumbai, that they are looking to have a swearing in program in Wankhede Stadium likely on December 2, but it will be only possible after the BJP holds the meeting of its newly elected MLAs and they elect their leader in that meeting. And till the time the central observers of the BJP doesn't come over here and the process is not complete, till then the name of the CM won't be revealed by the BJP. As earlier we spoke just day before yesterday to Vinay Sahasrabudhe, one of the senior leaders of the BJP, and he had then said that we will have a very big leader and dynamic leader as CM of Maharashtra. So clearly there is no clarity that who will be the chief minister, whether it will be even Devendra Fadnavis or not, or BJP will once again spill a surprise like it has done in the states of Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh or Rajasthan or even Haryana. So this looks unlikely that how the BJP is going forward and whether they are going to announce the name of any chief ministerial candidate by today evening or by tomorrow. Back to you, Pia.
Indeed, and even as we are speaking, more source-based news is trickling in. It seems that no meeting is on cards this evening, as Fadnavis is likely to travel to Nagpur. This is fresh information that our sources are telling us, that it's likely that a meeting will not take place today evening, as Fadnavis is likely to travel to Nagpur. Anand, back to you. You've been tracking Devendra Fadnavis. You've been stationed outside his house for quite a while now. You, of course, saw his cavalcade leave. Now it's information is trickling in according to sources that he's likely to travel to Nagpur, and therefore no Mahayuti meeting this evening.
Yeah, Pia, look, just 10-15 minutes ago, the Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis left from his residence Sagar, and what we have learned from our sources that he will first attend a program in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, and from there he will be likely to travel to Nagpur. So if we look at the entire day schedule of the Deputy Chief Minister Fadnavis over here, it looks unlikely that any meeting of the three Mahayuti leaders, as it was being said in the morning that the three leaders can meet today in the evening. So it looks unlikely, as Fadnavis won't be available in Mumbai, the way in which he just left for Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, and the sources, they have indicated that he may go to Nagpur before coming to Mumbai late in the night. So this is the fresh information that we have just got from the residence of Fadnavis, and looking at his schedule, it looks unlikely that there will be any meeting today.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.